Hey guys, it's Saturday morning and we're going to be riding some local trails with my buddy Brian. It always amazes me how complete strangers with the same brand of bike will strike up conversations with you on the trail, like this gentleman on the right who I met while he was waiting for his friend to arrive. If you know anything about Yeti, you know all about the cult, also known as the tribe.
Oh, that jumps back. Oh, that jumps back too.
One behind me. One behind me. Thank you.
Hi there. Just us. Thanks. All right.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whew. Good run.
It is good.
Feeling good?
Yeah. Oh.
Wait a second, did you see that?
It's weird. Yeah, I heard something rattling in the front end. Scared the shit out of me. That was weird. All right. Appreciate it.
So we ran into some more friends of friends, and of course, one of them rode a Yeti.
Shit.
Right on.
Yeah.
I live in the apartments right behind that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I just go and ride the ridge normally during the week, and then
Oh, shit.
It's good, man. I started it just about a year ago. Yeah, it's been fun. It's cool though. I'm having fun with it. It's doing pretty well. Got about 3,000 subs.
Reading this guy who's like another YouTuber, his name is Alex Chamberlain.
Oh, totally. Yeah, yeah.
I follow him and I just like
Yeah.
learn about all the different trails.
Yeah, that dude's a ripper.
Like you want to do it, just look ahead.
Yeah, yeah.
Through the rock on your landing. It's just going to take a little. It's going to take
Okay.
a little.
Put my line into that rock garden.
Whoa.
All in all, a terrific ride and got to meet some really cool people out in the trail.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is Brian. He's going to walk me through his awesome SB6.
2005 custom build from the frame up. DHX2 coil shock.
You just put on the coil shock, right?
Yeah, I really liking the coil. Everything that everybody
Nice.
says about a coil is definitely feeling it.
This is the DHX2,
Correct.
and you had the air version.
Had the X2. Derby wheels with i9 hubs, been bulletproof.
Cool.
Shimano 11 speed, 1146 in the back, old school XTR front, oval one-up chain ring with an oval chain one-up chain guide.
You running a Fox dropper?
Yep. XTR 9020 trail, XTR shifter, SB6C carbon bar, Thompson stem, ergon grips and saddle.
This is an extra large, correct?
Yeah, extra large.
And
6
all
foot
in
four.
30 pounds?
Yeah, all in, pedals, everything, just a hair over 30 pounds.
Nice.
Yeah. Custom sticker decals. You see these custom decals on the fork and on the shock. And actually on a down tube. This year, 2015, doesn't have any down tube graphics, so I designed that. And,
With stickered.
Yep, stickered.com did all that for me.
Right on.
Yep.
So how's the Switch Infinity holding up for you
Great.
after those nightmare Alex Chamberlain videos?
You know what? I knock on wood, I have not had any of the complaints with bearings or switches going bad,
Yeah.
cracked carbon.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, man.
Yeah,
Thanks for walking me
thanks
through the
for good
bike.
riding today, dude.
Yeah. All right.
See you again.
Right on.